Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Omorpho G Vest, a weighted vest designed to enhance your training regimen. Background: weighted vests have been a staple in fitness for a while, but what sets the Omorpho G Vest apart? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the design. The Omorpho G Vest is built for comfort and functionality. Unlike clunky vests of the past, it hugs your torso thanks to adjustable straps and side cinch cords. It's crafted from durable materials, incorporating stainless steel ball bearings to provide that extra weight without compromising mobility. The vest includes a ventilated strip at the back, crucial for keeping you cool during intense workouts. I tested this vest extensively during my marathon preparation. Whether I was trail running, hiking, or doing strength exercises, the G Vest added a whole new dimension to my workouts. It instantly turned any activity into a strength training session, making exercises like planks, jump squats, and lunges more challenging and effective. Over several months, I logged over 55 miles with the G Vest and noticed significant improvements in my muscle endurance and overall performance. One of the standout features is the free iPhone app that comes with the vest. It offers a variety of workouts that you can access simply by holding your phone near the vest's logo. While this feature is great for iPhone users, Android users might feel left out. However, the vest itself is functional and effective regardless of the app. Final thoughts. So, should you invest in the Omorpho G Vest? If you're serious about enhancing your training, especially for activities like trail running or hiking, this vest is definitely worth considering. Who would benefit? It's perfect for fitness enthusiasts looking to add resistance to their workouts in a comfortable and stylish manner. Final recommendation. Despite the premium price tag, the Omorpho G Vest delivers on its promises of durability, comfort, and performance. That wraps up our review of the Omorpho G Vest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.